Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering the 5 best garden tool sets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our top pick is Workpro Garden Tools Set. This Workpro Garden Tools Set is the perfect choice for any gardening enthusiast. It includes 7 pieces of heavy-duty stainless steel gardening tools with wooden handles, plus a garden tote, gloves, and more. The set is designed to provide an effortless gardening experience, so you can spend less time working and more time enjoying your garden. The tools are made from high-quality materials, so they are sure to last for years. The ergonomic wooden handles provide a comfortable grip and minimize fatigue, while the stainless steel tools are rust-resistant and resistant to wear and tear. This set is the perfect gift for any gardening enthusiast, as it comes complete with all the essential tools needed to get the job done. Pros: high-quality stainless steel construction for durability and longevity. Wooden handles provide comfort and control while gardening. The 7-piece set includes a range of gardening essentials, such as garden tote, gloves, trowel, hand weeder, and cultivator. Makes for a great gardening gift for both men and women. Cons: not suitable for larger gardening projects. Can be quite expensive compared to other sets. Number 2. Our second best pick is G&AMP F10012, JustForKids Garden Tools Set. This G&AMP F10012, JustForKids Garden Tools Set with Tote is the perfect way to give your little one a head start in gardening. The set includes a hand rake, shovel, and trowel, all of which are made of rust-resistant metal and come in an assortment of colors. The tote bag is lightweight and durable and makes it easy to transport the tools from place to place. The ergonomic design and comfortable handles make them easy for kids to grip and use. And the bright colors make it fun for kids to explore the outdoors and learn about gardening. Whether your child is just starting out in the garden or is an experienced gardener, this set is sure to become a favorite. Pros: durable construction, ideal for long-term use. Includes a hand rake, shovel, and trowel, giving children a variety of tools to work with in the garden. The set comes with a tote bag, making it easy to store and transport the tools. Colorful design makes it appealing to children. Cons: the colors may not be to everyone's taste. The tote bag may not be large enough for all the tools. Number 3. Our third best pick is Jardineer Garden Tools Set. This Jardineer Garden Tools Set is perfect for any gardener. This 8-piece heavy-duty garden tool set includes all the essential tools for maintaining a beautiful garden. The set includes a spade, trowel, hand fork, rake, pruning shears, weeder, and spray bottle. It also includes a pair of garden gloves and a convenient tote bag for easy storage and transportation. The tools are made of stainless steel and feature a rust-resistant coating for added durability. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, making it easy to work in the garden. The set also makes a great gift for any green-thumb friends or family members. This complete garden tool set provides an all-in-one solution for any gardening task and is sure to make maintaining your garden easier and more enjoyable. Pros: includes 8 pieces of heavy-duty garden tools. Comes with garden gloves and a storage tote. Makes a great gift for gardeners. Suitable for both men and women. Cons: may not be suitable for larger and more complex gardening jobs. May not be suitable for more experienced gardeners. Tool quality may be lower than more expensive sets. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is AOKIWO 83 Pieces Garden Tools Set. This AOKIWO 83 Pieces Garden Tools Set is a great choice for all of your outdoor gardening needs. This set includes heavy-duty aluminum tools that are designed for durability and long-lasting use. The tools are perfect for digging, weeding, loosening soil, aerating, transplanting, and more. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold and help to reduce hand fatigue. Each tool is clearly marked for easy identification. This set also includes a large capacity canvas tool bag for easy storage and transport. The AOKIWO 83 Pieces Garden Tools Set is a perfect gift for the avid gardener or anyone who loves to spend time outside. This set is available in a stylish green color and is sure to be a hit with gardeners of all ages. Pros: 83 pieces of garden tools for a variety of tasks. Heavy-duty aluminum construction for durability. Gardening gifts tools for men and women. Ideal for outdoor gardening. Cons: high price point. Only available in green color. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Yodo 7-piece Garden Tools Set. This Yodo 7-piece Garden Tools Set is perfect for both men and women who enjoy gardening and want to take their hobby to the next level. With its heavy-duty folding stool, tote bag, and stainless steel tools, this set is ideal for any gardener. The tools included are a trowel, rake, cultivator, and weeder, which are all designed for maximum efficiency and durability. The folding stool is lightweight and comfortable, allowing you to work for longer periods of time. The tote bag is perfect for carrying your tools and keeping them organized. This set makes an excellent gift for any gardener, or for yourself. With its high-quality materials and thoughtful design, you'll be sure to enjoy this set for years to come. Pros: heavy-duty construction and materials used. Folding stool and tote bag included. Includes 7 pieces of stainless steel gardening tools. Great gift for gardeners. Cons: price may be too expensive for some. May be too heavy to carry for some users. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.